Let it come to a boil real quick. And then as soon as it does, I'm going to turn it down, put the lid on it, and let it do its thing.
Sounds good. Sounds good.
I'm looking at it. I was looking at you. Sorry.
It's okay.
I'm looking for waiting for it to boil.
Welcome back, guys. My name is Jerome, and this is Rome's Meal Prep. Today, I have a special guest. Some of you may have already seen her in a previous video, but this is my wonderful mother, Jacques. She's here joining us, and what are we making?
We're making chicken guisado. Chicken guisado.
Okay.
It's a Puerto Rican dish. It's a Puerto Rican stewed chicken.
Cool. What do we got to make this dish?
So we got sofrito that we made. We have chicken thighs bone in, skinless. We've got red potatoes, carrots, tomato sauce, sazon, some seasonings, and some olive oil.
Cool. How did you learn how to make this?
From my mother-in-law and my sister-in-law.
Oh, okay.
Elena Muniz, I love you. That's my sister. Yes.
Cool.
So they taught me a lot of different stuff, and this is one of them.
Okay, so this is like a chicken stew?
Yeah, chicken stew, chicken guisado.
And then do you eat it by itself or?
Over white rice.
Over white rice. Okay.
Maybe some habichuela, some beans, whatever you want to add to it, yeah.
Thank you for coming and explaining this. I'm excited to make it and try it. Let's do it. What do we got to do first?
You don't have to dry it off, just season it now.
Well, I like to dry it off, so like, do you sear it?
Yeah, in the same pan you're going to cook it in.
Okay, so we're going to sear it, so we're going to dry this off so we get some nice good sear. So you said you want to season it? Okay, so we need a big pot. Mm-hmm. So we'll grab that.
Okay.
Now what are we doing?
Now we start seasoning. Season the chicken with salt and pepper and a little garlic powder.
Okay. I need that this morning. Okay, and then you said what? Garlic powder?
We'll just sprinkle it on there.
Just sprinkle on? Okay. I can do that. Sprinkle on the sazon.
Put some oil in the pan, some olive oil.
Okay. You want to do that for me?
Yeah.
Thank you. Teamwork make the dream work.
There we go.
Just turning the chicken. Oh my God, I love the smell of this.
I know it. Put it in the pan and season it. Sear it.
Okay.
And then put the sofrito in, and the sofrito will cook on top of it after it's seared.
Let's do that. Let's do the sear first.
Okay.
This here for that. And that's medium-ish. Right there's medium.
Let it get hot a little bit.
Yeah. Okay.
You might want to start the carrots.
Okay.
We're waiting for it to get a little warm.
Yeah. So what do we need to do with carrots? Just chop off the tops?
Chop off the tops, yeah.
And rinse these off real quick?
Yeah. No.
Get a knife?
Is this the one you want to use?
Yeah, it's the big one. Big boy. Okay, now we took the tops off.
You can start slicing.
Is it like
maybe like a
size?
half an inch, quarter inch? I don't know.
Half an inch.
However you want them.
Let me get this weird top off.
Yeah. Yeah, I think the oil is ready.
Okay.
Do you want me to start putting the?
Like a half inch, quarter inch. I don't know what that looks like, but I'll do my best.
And I'm going to put it on the seasoned side down, so while they're in there, we can season the other side.
Yeah, that's a good idea.
And honestly, I think we could have cut them in half.
Okay. Do you want to?
Yeah.
So, if you want to grab the blue cutting board down there for me.
Thank you.
And then there's knives back there.
At least we'll have a couple of smaller pieces, like 4 smaller pieces and then some bigger pieces.
Yeah, variety's the spice of life. Wow. So what do you think about me starting a YouTube channel?
I think it's a good idea because you're enjoying what you're doing and it's going to help your families and help others,
Yeah.
To meal prep, to learn recipes.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying? Just to have something positive to do too.
Yeah.
Well, I appreciate the support, and again, thank you for your willingness to come on to this channel and join us and the viewers.
You know, I got you 100%.
Oh,
I support you in everything, so this is
What
a bonus. Yours is different than mine.
I'm sorry, what?
So how do you take yours off? How do you make yours?
Oh, take that off. Yep.
This part, the bottom part. Okay.
And then just that's the bottom, and then there's a button, and then no worries.
Oh, hold the button.
Yep.
Okay, got it.
And the same thing. Yep.
Got it.
Sazon?
Yes. Now kill this one. Excuse me.
Something happened?
I almost dropped the knife.
Oh no.
Dropped the potato.
Oh no.
Because I usually have gloves on, because then I end up shaving my fingernail,
Yeah.
and I didn't put the gloves on. I threw them away, and it's only one potato, so I'm hoping I don't shave my nail.
Oh. Yeah, you're doing good.
I am.
Professional.
I'm trying.
Do you use any garlic in this?
Well, we have it in the sofrito.
Oh, that's right. I keep forgetting that.
Yeah.
Smells so good, so aromatic.
Good.
Okay, how do you want these chopped up?
See how I have the first ones chopped?
Yeah, it's like a rough.
Like down the middle, and then down the center, this way, and then boom, boom. Now, yeah.
Yep.
That's good. 3 times. Yeah, that's good. 3 chunks.
Like that?
Yeah.
Okay.
Then it doesn't take so long to cook, and it's bite size
Yeah.
after it cooks down. We do some thick size thighs. Good size thighs.
Good. It's a good thing, right?
Yeah. You cut them in thirds. Yeah. It's a nice knife. It cuts good.
Yeah. I just gotta remember to keep it sharp. There's times where I'll be cutting like an onion or something like that, and it's the most difficult thing in the world. And I'm like, okay, I can go sharpen it. But
Yeah.
It's got like a built-in sharpener thing.
Oh, does it?
Yeah.
Oh, as you put it in and out?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, that's sweet.
It's not bad.
I have the same brand, and mine doesn't do that.
Really?
Mm-mm.
Oh. That's all right. Okay,
Yeah.
so now we got the veggies chopped up. Now we're just waiting for the chicken to sear.
Yep.
So how are we going to sear those with those in there? Are we still going to sear those? Or
We're gonna sear them.
So we're gonna pull those out real quick and then
Yeah.
okay.
So pull them out.
Let me get a plate. Just so that's nice and easy. You want me to open this?
Can? Yeah.
What is this? Tomato sauce, no salt added.
Then you can have it with or without salt. It doesn't matter.
Careful.
Okay, I'm not gonna fully cook them, but they're gonna be close. I'm gonna take them out and put those in.
Sounds good. Got your plate right here ready for you.
Because I don't want them fully cooked for when we put the potatoes and the carrots in, because then I think it becomes stringy.
Yeah.
Overcook it.
Mhm.
So if you do it like this, and then too, while these are browning a little bit and cooking a little bit, if you want to cut these down the middle, when we do add them back in there, they'll cook a little quicker, I think, maybe. I don't know. It's a thought.
So you want me to cut these down?
Yeah.
Let's watch this.
Ooh.
So this is the veggies plate. I'm just gonna put all the veggies here, kind of consolidate everything. Set this over here, and that'll leave me room for this. Do you want to cut them in half or like those?
Yeah, in half. In half, yeah. Oh,
They're hot.
I know. Watch your toe. Just a little bit
What I
of.
drop?
Yeah.
Oh, thank you. Well, I got the water on me. There we go.
I might even use 2 things of sofrito.
You said what?
I might use 2 containers of sofrito because it's a lot of chicken.
It is.
What we can actually do is put in the sofrito,
Okay, so put it in the sofrito.
because those are going to be on the bottom and they're going to cook still good. This stuff is so good.
It's a lot of flavor in here.
Yeah.
Should I add the other chicken back in yet?
Yep.
Okay.
Perfect timing. Now the potatoes.
You're gonna add the potatoes?
Yep.
Okay. The carrots as well, I'm assuming?
Yep.
And what is that? The
Tomato sauce.
tomato sauce?
And I'm gonna add some water to it.
Okay.
So we're gonna have a nice gravy, juice, whatever stew.
So now what's the plan? We're gonna
So
put the
now
lid
we'll
on.
let it come to a boil.
Okay.
We got 2 of these left. I'm gonna throw these in there too.
Both of them?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. I mean, this goes over a plain white rice,
This
right?
is a lot of chicken. We'll start off with one and see how the flavor comes.
Okay. Yeah, I think that's a good idea.
And then mix it a little bit. Let it come to a boil and then turn it down, let it simmer nicely. The juice will thicken
Yeah.
from the potatoes. Let it come to a boil real quick. And then as soon as it does, I'm gonna turn it down, put the lid on it, and let it do its thing.
Sounds good. Sounds good.
I'm looking at it. I was looking at you. Sorry.
It's okay.
I'm looking at we're waiting for it to boil. And then while that's working on getting cooked, we can make some white rice. 'Cause
Okay.
That's what you want to put it over.
Yeah.
Some white rice.
Okay. So
There you
let me
go.
get a measuring cup.
Starting
How much
to boil.
rice? How much rice would you want to make? Like the same amount as I made last time? Maybe a little more?
Yeah. What did you make last time? 2 cups?
I made 2 cups, so 4. It makes 4 cups, so 2
I know.
cups.
Yeah, that should be good.
Dude, you said 2 cups? That's good, I think. Okay. I usually use broth in my rice. Do you want to use regular
Make it
water?
how you like to make it. Yeah.
I like doing 2 cups anyways because it works out perfectly with one of these.
That's 2 cups of broth.
A little bit more, but it works out every time. This is what I did last time. It was 2 cups of rice and this. Put this thing on the rice setting. So we have 2 cups of rice with 1 of the bone broth. Put it on the rice setting. Do not keep warm. And then when that's done, hopefully that'll be done, and then we can serve it up. Okay, so we got some cooked rice. Cooked it with some bone broth, some chicken bone broth. We're gonna serve this up over the rice. You wanna put some on it?
Please.
1 scoop, 2 scoop, 3 scoop, 4. Let's see.
So
Let's see what a
small,
scoop looks like.
small piece of chicken.
There's a little piece right there.
Yeah.
And then like a little bit of carrot, a little bit of potato.
Yeah. There you go.
Okay. Cool. Ladle it all on over. Good.
Yes.
Cool. How do you like to serve it? With what is it? Avocado?
Yes.
Okay. Look at you, just peeling it like a freaking apple orange. Okay, that's one way to do it for sure. Careful, don't cut yourself.
Mm-hmm.
Oh. Won't be perfect, but I mean that's a very good try.
Right.
You look very good.
Okay.
Boom! Look at that.
This is our chicken guisado. It's a Puerto Rican dish. Rice, white rice with stewed chicken and some sliced avocados. It's really good. It smells so great. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
Good. Yeah.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, I'm ready to sit down and have dinner. Because I didn't eat. I'm
This is
waiting
what
for
we're
this.
making for this.
I'm
Yeah.
waiting for this.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
All right. Well, let's let her eat. Let's let her have some time to sit down and
That's good.
eat. And,
Yes, very good.
Yeah. Well, thank you so much for joining us. I really appreciate it, and hopefully we can have her in these videos one more time before she goes back home. Thank you again.
That's good.
I appreciate it. They're
You're
teaching me
welcome.
this dish and
Yeah.
my channel this dish. And if you haven't been here before, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. If you would like, hit that like button and then join us in the comments down below. I'll see you guys in the next one.
Thank you.
Bye.